this for a property? Hi there, I'm Anna McPherson from the agency and welcome to my latest listing at 2 Harvest Place in Hidden Valley. You're going to absolutely love this well-appointed 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom situated on a huge 1,469 metre square allotment. Let's check it out.
Let's get up and leave before we drown. There's nothing left for us to say, 'cause we're see-through. Let's save ourselves the courtesies, 'cause we're see-through. We both know how this thing goes. Should I leave or should you? There's nothing left for us to say, 'cause we're see-through.
Did I mention how big the laundry was? I absolutely love the attention to detail and the fixtures and fittings that have been chosen for this build. This master features an extra large window to let in so much ample light, and I'm just obsessed with the colour choices in the bathroom.
It's going down. Let's get up and leave before we drown. There's nothing left for us to say, 'cause we're see-through. There's nothing left for us to say, 'cause we're see-through. 'Cause we're see-through.
Oh my God, and how's this for a backyard? With double side access, you've got so much room to create your own masterpiece and pop in a shed out here. If you'd like to know more about this beautiful property that is 2 Harvest Place, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.